Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to change your WhatsApp automatic backups to a daily schedule. Keeping your chats safe is crucial, especially if you have important conversations that you wouldn't want to lose. WhatsApp offers a simple way to automate this process, ensuring your messages are backed up regularly. To start, open WhatsApp on your device. Once you're in the app, you'll notice 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. These dots represent the menu, so tap on them to open it. From the menu options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen with several options. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. This option is where you manage all your chat-related settings, including backups. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, where you'll find Chat Backup. Select this option to access your backup settings. Now, you'll see the Backup to Google Drive option, which allows you to choose where your backups are stored. Below this, you'll find the Auto Backup option. Tap on it to change the frequency of your automatic backups. Here you can choose from 3 options: daily, weekly, or monthly. For this tutorial, we're focusing on setting it to daily. Choosing daily means that WhatsApp will automatically back up your chats every day. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of conversations or if you frequently send important messages. Once you've selected daily, your WhatsApp will start backing up your chats automatically at the default time, which is usually early in the morning. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your WhatsApp chats are safely backed up every day. This way, you'll never have to worry about losing your important conversations again. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, these steps apply to both, making it easy for everyone to keep their WhatsApp data secure. In conclusion, setting up daily automatic backups on WhatsApp is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. By doing so, you're protecting your messages and ensuring they're always available, even if something happens to your device. So, go ahead and take this small step to safeguard your WhatsApp chats today.